So we're back with part two. So part two, I've moved everything off the bed that was here before, pulled the different ones that I wanted to test out one final time to see if I want to keep them in my collection or not. And then I pulled the rest of the items and put them on my bed now. So that's what's here. So let's just get right into it. So first off, I have my platinums here. I have 5 of these. They're not going anywhere. We know this is like their #1 fragrance, fine fragrance mist right now from Bath & Body Works. Platinum has sparkling bergamot, silver blooms, and patchouli musk. This is gorgeous. This is a grown woman perfumey type fragrance mist. Enjoy it very, very much. So that is those. One that they released this fall that they brought back, that is another favorite from Bath & Body Works. This is another popular seller for them. So they brought it back this year for fall. This is their Autumn Drive. And Autumn Drive has wild raspberry, warm amber, and vanilla birch. I've never tried this scent before. This is new to me and I fell in love. So I got so many of them. I got 5 of those, and they only released the body butter in this scent for fall. They said it was so popular that they only released the body butter in that one, and I have quite a few of those body butters as well. But the other scent that was from the fall, to me, this is very good as well, is Sunrise Woods. Sunrise Woods has creamy sandalwood, sweet berry, and cozy cashmere. This is a gorgeous scent as well. If they was to put a body butter in that one, I will absolutely get it. I love that scent as well. All right, and I'm going to go up here because I don't want to be reaching too much across the camera, so I'll move over there once I want to get to that side. The newest release from Bath & Body Works was this Touch of Gold. Touch of Gold, I have not played with yet. I've only sprayed it and did my first impressions on it. But this one has the bright blackberries, golden orange blossom, and decadent tonka. What you pick up on this right away right now is the orange blossom and the tonka. I'm thinking that the blackberries, like it says bright blackberries, I think it may give more depth to it as this fragrance sits. We'll see. But right now, it is a love. The perfume in that is gorgeous as well. And this is another one that's kind of like platinum. They kind of are like sisters or cousins or whatever you want to call it. They're very similar in the sense that they're that grown woman perfumey type scent that smells very good. Strawberry shortcake. I have it in 2 different packagings here. This is a gorgeous scent. If you love strawberries and you like gourmands, you would love this fragrance. It's fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. This one is not going anywhere either. Love that one, as well as this Sweetheart Cherry. Sweetheart Cherry is another one that is beautiful. Love it. And this one has the wild cherry, crushed pistachio, and whipped vanilla. These are fall ready. Most of the scents in this part 2 are a lot of my fall winter type scents. So these are definitely staying out to play. And then the other one I have here, without reaching too far over, is Book Loft. This is one they just released as part of their fall collection as well. This has crispy bergamot, neroli, and cozy woods. This is like goes with everything. So I'm looking forward to playing with this. We'll see what I think of it. But I haven't really given that a go yet. So that's one that I need to test. Going up here. This is my At the Beach. This scent has been around with Bath & Body Works, but this was my first year ever testing it. If you keep up with me in my videos, you would know that Bath & Body Works drew me back into them once they started releasing a luxuries collection. I wasn't checking for them for quite some time, so some of these scents are familiar to other people, but were not familiar to me. At the Beach has white frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot waters, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. They changed the packaging from this, which I love. I love both of the packagings. This one has more of a texture on it, and this is what it is now. But I love both. The scent in here is gorgeous, hence that's why I got this many of them, because I absolutely love it. It has that coconut in it. You know, if I toasted coconut, if it got coconut in it, it's in a good coconut, I'm gonna love it. Gingham Fresh. So now I'm gonna go through my ginghams. So Gingham Fresh is the one that has the juicy pear, sparkling clementine, and fresh daisies. This one I need to play with some more. I think I love this one, but I need to give it a go again. I think I had it on my tray a while back, and I did enjoy it, but I don't know if I love it. The same goes for this All-American one. This one was just released this summer. I was on the fence with this one, so I really need to try it. This one has juicy red fruits, white freesia, and blueberry sugar in it. This one here, I don't know about. I already gave one of them away because I wasn't impressed, because I had more than one. So I don't know if I'm going to keep that one or not. I need to play with it and see. Gingham. This is the regular gingham. This is the one that started it all. Blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. This is gorgeous. I love this one. As well as, I'm going to move over so I'm not reaching across too much. So, Gingham Gorgeous is where we were left off with. And Gingham Gorgeous is the one that has the fresh pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. I love this scent. Hence the reason why I got 3 of them. That is a gorgeous scent. And Gingham Glow is another one that I really did enjoy. And this one is the one that has the golden nectar, marigold petals, and sun-soaked sandalwood. This is a good one as well. I really do enjoy this one also. This right here, I've thrown so much shade at this fragrance. I refuse to buy another one this year. To me, apple scents can be hit and miss, and this is Champagne Apple and Honey. I must say that it is down here somewhere because I was making myself use it. Because I'm like, why is this so hyped up? And why everybody else like this but me? But it has crisp apple, sparkling champagne, jasmine honey, and autumn woods. What I can tell you about this now from when I got it, over like 8 or 9 or so months ago, is this is better now than when I originally had it. So I do like it more. So I might keep it and just make myself finish using it up during this fall time, because I do enjoy what it has turned into. I just still don't know if it's a love. But I may just keep it because I've already used so much of it already. I might as well finish it. Pearberry. Pearberry is the one that I was looking forward to trying. It has the Anjou pear, wild berries, apple blossom, golden freesia, and blonde woods. I smelled the lotion in this last year. The body mist was not available, and I loved it. So once I saw the mist was available, I think I picked it up during SAS in one of the stores or something. And I saw it and I was like, ooh, and I grabbed it. So I have not played with this one yet. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one to see if it impresses me as much in the body mist as it did in the lotion. This is a favorite of mine. They've changed the packaging on this one as well. This is warm vanilla sugar. So you can see the package change with it. But this one has intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. All the scents that I would love, and I do love. So that is staying. And In the Stars is another one that is very popular. Gets compliments for a lot of people. This has starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white argarwood, which is oud, and radiant amber. So this one here is very popular for a lot of people. Love that one. All right, so second row, I left off with Sweater Weather here. I didn't show you guys this one. This one is another one that a lot of people love, either especially in candles and everything. But I've never tried it. This is Suncrest Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. So I'm looking forward to trying this one to see what I think about it. We'll see. Glazed Pumpkin is another one that I've never tried before that they released for this fall. So we're going to see what I think about Glazed Pumpkin. And this one has the vanilla glaze, caramel woods, and pumpkin cream. From what I smelled on first impressions, I'm thinking I'm going to really love this, but we're going to see. Dark Kiss is one that has been in my collection for a while. I know I love this scent. And this one has black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. This is gorgeous. This is a nice deep scent. And this is one that I picked up, I think it was the beginning of the year or end of last year, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This has warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. I'm looking forward to trying this one as well. And the other one, Sweet Whiskey. I haven't tried this one yet either. So Sweet Whiskey has golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, and sweet red berries. Looking forward to trying this one. These are all scents that I've picked up and need to try. These ones here that it was just released in the fall, and these other ones that I picked up during some of the sasses for the fall. So we're going to test all of these out and see what I think about them. Vanilla Ease is one they just dropped this fall along with the next one I'm going to share with you. And this is gorgeous. I love this. If you love Burberry Goddess, the dry down of this is giving you Burberry Goddess. This is lavender blossoms, creamy vanilla, soft cedarwood. This is just more heavy on the lavender when you first spray it. But once that lavender dies down and the dry down of this, you can't tell the difference between Burberry Goddess and this. This is long lasting too. One that I'm on the fence with and I'm going to try it. I might end up loving this, you guys. But it's Vanilla Cafe. I only got one of these. It's smooth espresso, whipped vanilla, toasted hazelnut. I love the scent, but it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So, but me actually wearing it is going to be where it is. So, that is Vanilla Cafe. That was just released along with that Vanilla Ease. So, going down to the bottom row here now. Strawberry Snowflakes. So Strawberry Snowflakes, I know I do enjoy this as juicy strawberry whipped cream and iced bergamot. This is gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to playing with that some more. And another one that I love, you can see the juice on the one compared to the other one is a little bit darker. So that just goes to show you how your scents will change over time with some things. Some things get better, some things you may not like it when it changes. But this is Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. I know I love this scent, so this isn't going anywhere. And another one that was released along with that Sunrise Woods and Autumn Drive that I absolutely think is gorgeous is this Whipped Honey and Vanilla that they released. Honey Drizzle, Blossoming Neroli, and Whipped Vanilla Bean. It's gorgeous. Gourmand, if you love that. And last but not least is my Vanilla Romance. And if you see the fact that I got 4 of them, they should tell you something. I also got this and this Into the Night in the Perfume. Not too long ago, I hauled that with you guys. But this has fresh cardamom, vanilla absolute, and captivating woods. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I love the body butter in this. So that is my collection. And I will go back, like I said, I did through the first round. I'm going to pull some of the items that I have not tried yet that I might be on the fence with to make sure I truly do love them. And I'm going to put the rest of the items up. And I will come back like I did with my Victoria's Secret Body Mist collection. And as I try some of those other ones, if I do not enjoy them, I will tell you what I am decluttering in that video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.